Greetings to you, my fellow lions. How we doing? It's another day on Leo. I welcome you to today's section. Another day on Leo. Oh yes, it's another day on Leo. And you know that we've been running this program daily. Yeah, we've been running it daily. This another day on Leo is where we talk about different things that you need to know on Leo and the Hive blockchain. Are you getting it? So, without wasting our time, yesterday we talked about the difference between reblogging and retrading. That was what we talked about yesterday. And today we'll be talking about how to make a blog post. How to make a blog post. Yesterday we talked about reblogging. So now it's how to make a blog post. That is what we'll be talking about today. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to get your blog post done. I know this tutorial would be mostly for the new lions because I know that so many lions they are here but they are not familiar to our activities on the blockchain. So I'm going to be putting you through how to make a blog post. If you are ready, let's dive into it. Now, if you want to make your blog post, I'm using my PC. But if you're on mobile phone, you still see the same feature. When you want to make a blog post, just click on publish. Then you will see create a blog. You're gonna see view draft. You're gonna see view templates, view scheduled post. All these aspects we're gonna talk about them later, but not in this post. So now you click on create a blog, then it will take you to this interface, create a blog. It will take you down here. When you get here, the first thing that will come to your mind when creating a blog is your title. Your title is very, very important. What do you intend talking about on your blog? That's the title. Are you getting it? I'm going to use the rough work of yesterday's blog post that I made. That's what I'm going to use to teach you something right here. So let me just go. Sometime you can write your blog post here, this place that they say they put here your thoughts. That's the body of your post. Are you getting it? So you can write it here or you can write it somewhere else for safety, then you can bring it here. But most of the time when you write, network can just push you off and when you come back you may not see it. While sometimes when you save it as draft, when you come back you restore your last draft, you're gonna see it. Are you getting it? But most of the time I do write it outside. Then when it's ready, I'll copy it down here, do all my editing here, and post it. Are you getting it? So let me go to my WhatsApp. Come this way. Just here. All right, let me get this one I posted yesterday. Okay, let me copy it. Now, yesterday's uh, uh, title was reblogging versus. Let me check it. Let me check on it again. Okay, reblogging versus retreading. Reblogging versus retreading. Create a post. Remember another day. Another day on Leo. We blogging versus retrading. This was the topic we handled yesterday. Then the body of your blog. Here is it. There's the body of my blog. Are you seeing it? This is the body of my blog. This is the year. Let me take away all these stuffs here. I don't want them now. All right, as you can see here, this is the previewing section. Now you see the title, Another Day on Leo. Not Leo. Another Day on Leo, reblogging versus retrading. This is the previewing section. Now you see the body of my blog. Are you seeing it? Now the next thing here is it. This is our work section. The next thing for you to do is to add an image to it, is to add an image. Most of the time, I do see some image that they use on blog posts. It don't really make it look presentable when you use a portrait image as the first image on your blog post. It don't make it look presentable. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. For example, now let me come to WhatsApp. There's this image. Okay. Let me save it. Okay. Save as. Where should I save it? Let me save it on that picture under Bluetooth. Good. Save. Now let's check out this image and see if it looks presentable. Let's check it out. Now, when you want to put your image, you click on wherever you want the image to appear. Then you click on this image icon here. Click on it, you see browser, browser file. You click on it. Then if you are using your PC, you check where the image is. Now this is the image. You click on, you select the image, you open, then you submit it. Now we've submitted it, and as you can see, the code has appeared in our work section. Then go to the preview section. You're gonna see the image. Take a look at how the image appeared on the blog. Are you seeing it? It don't really make your blog look presentable. Are you getting me? So to me, using a portrait image as a first image on your blog is bad. It's very, very bad. We're not going to use it. I'm going to delete it, delete the code. Now let's go and use a landscape image. Like yesterday, I used, let me put on the image that I used. That's the image. Are you seeing it? It's on landscape. Click on open and you submit. Now you see how it looks. Just take a look at it. You see how it looks on the blog post. It's pretty cool. Are you getting it? You can use your portrait image as an additional image down the blog, but not as the first image on your blog post. It's not good. Now in we've succeeded in putting up the image for this blog post. The next thing is selecting the community you want to post that blog. Or if you want to post it on your own blog, it's fine and good. But if you are posting it on a community, remember we are using the inleo front end for this action. We are using the inleo front end. All you got to do is to click on select community. Are you seeing it? Then when you click on it, you see inleo. These are the communities that I'm following, that I subscribed to. I subscribe to inleo, free complement, Essency, ActiveFit, and Hive Open Mic. All right, so now I want to post it on Leo. I activate it, I click on it. Now you see that the Leo tag has appeared under at this point, which is your tag. That's the first tag there. Please don't delete it. If you delete it, your post won't appear on Inleo. Are you getting it? So now the next tag, what did we talk about on this blog that I want to post? Same to you. What did you talk about? The title and the body. What's the body of your blog? What's it all about? Here we talked about reblogging and retreading. Are you getting it? So the, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put reblogging. I give space. You see it appeared there. Then retreading. It appeared there. Then I'm gonna add it's a tutorial, find and go tutorial. I add it. They are all related to Hive activities. So I tag Hive. Then you can add any other tag, maybe the community that you are in, you can tag them. Any community that you are following, that you've identified yourself with, you can tag them to your blog. But let me just use sent and maybe BBH finish. Are you getting it? So these are 7 tags that I'm using for this blog. Then after putting your tag, the next thing for you to do, we have setting beneficiaries and the rest. We are going to handle it next. Now we've put our tag and our post is ready to go. Our post is ready to go. But before you make any blog in any community, please, there are community rules. You just got to go and read the community rules so that you won't fall victim to any circumstances. This is the community rule. When you click on the rule, you go and read the community rule, know the kind of post that they accept in that community, and know the procedure. Some community, they'll say before you make a post, you must follow their creation train. You must do this one, you must do the other one. You must comment to 2 to 3 persons blog, meaningful comments. You must comment to 2 to 3 persons blog before you can make a blog post in that community. Are you getting it? So before you make any blog post, don't just come in, write about anything, go to any community and post. When you do that, they might ban you from that community. And you know what it is. So it's best you read the community rules before you post in that community. If there's anything, if you need more guide, you can ask, tag anyone in that community, or go to any post, or go to the community post. You see the community post there. Go there, click on it, read through their pinned post and know what the community accept. Are you getting it? All right. So now our post is ready, our blog is ready, and the next thing to do is to click on publish. After you've previewed your work and you see that it's perfect, you click on publish, then that is all. Are you getting it? Oh God, I need AC. But if you want to save it as draft, all you got to do, maybe you don't want to post it now, you can save it as draft. Are you getting it? Then later on, you can come back and post it whenever you want to post it. Another thing is scheduled post. Scheduled post. You can write everything and you okay your schedule, you on it. You see the time in here. Now, in this date, you're gonna set it when the post is going to be published. Are you getting it? You can set it, today is 4th. I can decide to set it tomorrow. Tomorrow is 5th, and the time too. I can also set the time. Maybe tomorrow by 2:58 p.m. That's when this post will be published. But I've written everything, I've arranged everything, then that is good. When you click on publish, you come here, you see now it's now showing schedule. When you click on schedule, it's going to load and save there. When exactly 2:58 p.m. tomorrow, this post is going to publish by itself. Either you are online or you are not online, either your data is on or is off, it's going to publish itself. Are you getting it? So these are the things that you need to know in making a blog. There are so many things that you need to know. We're going to touch them as time goes on. Remember, it's another day on Leo, and I remain your host at Caleb Marvel. Please feel free to ask any question, request for any tutorial you need in respect to our activities on the blockchain. And I promise it will be granted to you. Thank you very much and thank you. See you on Threads. Let's go rock something cool over there.